If you're absolutely sure about adding effects onto your screenshot, then you can do it directly on the recorder that is on the capture window. So for that, you have to go to image right here, as you can see. And then once you do that, you go and select out the selection. And here you select the effect that you want to add it. So over here, you can see that now I can add in a border. Let's say, for example, go into the settings right here, increase the border width. And then I can go over here onto scale image right here, and then just keep that. If I want to add two effects, I can add it by going and clicking on border right here. And then I can click on add another effect and another pop-up comes up. So you can add in shadow as well, as you can see, and select the shadow, color, and the position and everything else. You can go over here, add in another effect as well, just like this, and then select out something like, let's say, color adjustment right here, and change around the gamma and the hue, just like this, as you can see right there. So let us just try capturing now and see what happens. So if I were to press the capture button now and capture this area out, what happens is that if I were to open up the editor, all of the effects that we chose has been added right here. So you can see that the desktop is there, the border is there, and the shadow is there. And that is how you can add in effects directly while you're capturing from Snagit. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.